everyone, today I will be giving you a walkthrough on my teaching page which is about projectile motion and how to calculate it. Here I used the HTML control forms taught to us by Sir Britt. As you can see, I've used the field set control to organize each categories better and to make it more aesthetically pleasing. For the step 1, which is entering values, I've used input text control, or specifically this single line text control, wherein I've used input type number, so you can only type numbers but not letters for the velocity, angle, and height. And for the units, I've decided to use the drop down, where I used the select tag and then the option, which is SI and Imperial. Next, we have scenario, ball in hoop, paper to trash can, and stone skipping. Here I've used radio buttons so they can choose only one scenario to choose from, because my idea is to add an animation of the scenario. For example, they choose ball in hoop, there will be an animation of a ball shooting in a hoop in their selected projectile motion, or velocity, angle, and height. Next, same with gravity, I've used radio button for Earth, Moon, Mars, because this is a constant value in the equation. But my favorite part is the custom gravity, because they can choose a custom gravity, so this makes the form more interactive and dynamic. And I've used radio button for both because they can only choose one scenario and they can only choose one gravity. And for the last, which is selecting output, I've decided to use checkbox, which is input type checkbox, for a more interactive and dynamic page if they want to select output both height and flight, or both flight and range, or only one or all of the output. They can choose whether one or all of them. So that's it for my projectile motion teaching page.